Today we are making an Easter fruit sando from Japan. It serves 3 people and takes about 20 minutes to prepare. Fresh strawberries, kiwi, and fluffy whipped cream tucked inside soft shokupan for a beautiful spring bite. First, let's check the ingredients. 6 slices of shokupan milk bread, soft and square, perfect for clean cuts. 1 cup of chilled heavy cream. This will whip into a fluffy filling. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, just enough sweetness for the cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma. 8 strawberries hulled. Choose ripe and firm berries for a clean cut. 1 large kiwi peeled. Its color pops against the cream. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse and dry 8 strawberries, remove the stems, then peel 1 kiwi and slice it into thick rounds. Trim the crusts from 6 slices of shokupan to create clean, even edges. Chill a glass mixing bowl in the whisk or beaters for 5 minutes so the cream whips faster and stays cold. Pour 1 cup of chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the cream. Whip on medium speed until medium stiff peaks form about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overwhip. Lay out 3 slices of bread and spread a thin, even layer of whipped cream on each, about 2 tablespoons per slice. Arrange the fruit. Place 2 whole strawberries in a line down the center of each slice, then tuck kiwi slices around them to suggest an Easter egg pattern. Cover the fruit completely with more whipped cream, using just enough to fill the gaps and create a smooth mound. Top with the remaining 3 bread slices and press very gently to seal without squashing the fruit. Wrap each sandwich tightly in plastic wrap to hold the shape, then let them rest for 5 minutes. Unwrap and trim each sandwich into a gentle oval to resemble an Easter egg, using a large oval cutter or a sharp knife. Slice each oval sandwich cleanly through the center to reveal the fruit pattern, wiping the knife between cuts for neat edges. Plate the Easter fruit sando halves cut side up and serve right away while the cream is cool and fluffy. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Easter fruit sando, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.